This is actually the last National Treasures I have. Here we go, man. National Treasures. Bat on top, 9 of 49, George Brett. Brett talk tie? No, that was Jack that talked tie. 9 of 49, George Brett. Excuse me. Mike Piazza, now quote-unquote 2016 Hall of Fame class. Overpowering fastball, Nolan Ryan. 15 of 25. Patch autograph, Tom Murphy. 68 of 99. Rob Refsnyder. 98 of 99. Six-way relic autograph, 12 of 49, Daniel Robertson. Where have you gone, Daniel Robertson? Yoan Lopez. Triple relic autograph, 24 of 99. Andres Galarraga. The Big Cat, 10 of 99. Inscribed, The Big Cat.
I wouldn't have bought anything. But that box got me going.
And 4 of only 10, Jacob deGrom. Book patch auto.
How do you know if you won?
This wasn't you. This is a personal box.
Oh, that's a nice card, man.
Yeah. Jacob deGrom. All right, that's it, Laz. We'll get that on the way for you, man. Ruben will do yours next. Tennis. See ya.